In this lecture, we are going to work on our feature list. So what we need here is a gap between this circle and below that features. So we have features here. Yes, we need to target this container, margin rem from top and bottom and left and right to 0. So yeah, that's enough. I think it's good. So we have icons here as well, and then text. I want this to be in the same line, so what I will do is I will use the display flex and align item center. This is the container feature container which I'm about to target, and in feature we have this icon, checkbox, and the feature text. So now I will do is to actually feature display flex and align item center. Now we need to a margin between this tick mark and the text. So what I need is to actually I need a class here, feature icon. Okay, now I'm calling that feature icon. I will set the font size to be 1 rem and margin right will be 1 rem as well. So yeah, it worked perfectly. Now in our design, if you can see here that we have these colorful text for each of our box according to our cards. So what we need is to add our utility class text. Because it's a font, so we will use the text primary, text secondary, and text tertiary again. So you can see the benefit of using the utilities. Text primary, and then here we have text secondary, and then here I only need to add text tertiary. So yeah, that's okay, and I think it is good. So we need to add the space, we need to add the margin between them except the last child. Target the feature and not the last child. I don't want to be margin on the last child. Margin bottom 0.8 rem. Yeah, that's okay, and it's looking great already. We have added the margin perfectly. So what we have left here, we need to design our button and then add the scale up recommended pricing section. So in the next lecture we are going to work on it.